Na ki wei ki Snem ki bala dem ban ki bala lek no shadin ka jing penlong jong ka office u district sports officer ri Bhoi district ya ke district level inter school athletics meet arasar pun reu hamadan NSCA mini stadium paham sim Nongpoh Mynta ka Snem kelalong ka bakham pher bha bat ka bala kham long kerpang ki bakham long kerpang ha ka Snem ki kenthop nandu ka jingwan poi bun ki Skul kum ki nong isim bynta ka jing bun ki Khynnah Skul bani khun ha ki jing lekai ba pher bat ka jing pen khre ka bakham kerpang hadin ke jing pendep ban sam mi ki kusnam syakin nong job ha ki jing kop ba pher la penlong da ke jing Iashad sngewbha la ne ke jam session ya gi Khynnah kum ke jing pensa jing ken mau ya ke jing kendu ki parlok Khynnah Skul na ki Skul ba pher ki balawan ban mi khmat ha ke ne ke district level inter school athletics meet 8000 arpon reu la ban kedo ba ye ke ne ke district level inter school athletics meet 8000 arpon reu hari Bhoi district ka office jong district sports officer ri Bhoi district kalpan long ya kene jinge kendo da jinge trelang bat ka office u deputy commissioner jong ka district
Following medal winners, you are directed to report to the victory stand immediately. The following medal winners, please report to the victory stand. Jake of Auxilium, Elias Theron of St. Joseph, Joshua Macri.